Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quranic Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, wa idha qila, wa mean and iza mean when, qila mean it is said. Wa idha qila, and when it is said, lahum mean to them. La tufsidu, do not make mischief. Fil ardi, fi mean in, ardi mean the earth. Qalu, they say, qalu mean they say, innama only, nahnu we, qalu innama nahnu, they say we only, muslihun are peacemakers. Allah, beware. Innahum, inna mean indeed, hum mean they, innahum mean indeed they, humul mufsiduna, hum mean those who, mufsiduna are mischief makers. Walakin mean and but, la yash'urun, la mean not, yash'urun mean they pursue, la yash'urun they pursue not. Wa and mean and, iza mean when, qila mean it is said, lahum mean to them, aminu mean believe, kama as other, amanan nasu, amana believed, nasu people, kama amanan nasu as other people believed. Qalu mean they say, anu'minu shall we believe, kama as amana believed, sufaha the fools, kama amana sufaha as the fools believed. Allah beware. Inna mean certainly, hum mean they, innahum certainly they, humus sufaha, hum mean they themselves, as-sufaha mean are the fools. Walakin mean and but, la ya'lamun they know not. Wa and idha mean when, laqul ladina, laqu mean they meet, alladina those who, amanu believe, qalu they say, amanna we believe, wa idha and when, wa mean and, idha mean when, khalau they privately meet, ila to shayatinihim, shayatin mean devils, him mean there, ila shayatinihim to their devils. Qalu they say, inna mean truly we, ma'akum are with you, innama nahnu, innama mean verily only, nahnu we, mustahzi'un are mockers. Dear students, remember it and try to write down and send us before coming class tomorrow. Inshallah, we will check your homework. Mu'minin Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, they can contact us. Jazakallah fi amanillah.